हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू योर यूट्यूब चैनल टारगेट विद वीर। इस वीडियो में हम एसएससी सीजीएल 2019 में आए हुए जीके के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। यह इस सीरीज़ का हमारा पहला पार्ट है। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, रेड worms हैव ए स्ट्रक्चर नेम्ड विच हेल्प्स देम इन ग्राइंडिंग देयर फूड, देन इट्स आंसर इज gizzard. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, prolific Indian painter Maqbool Fida Hussain predominantly used which of these animals to depict a lively and free spirit in his paintings? Then his answer is horses. Next question. Sultan Qaboos bin Sayyid of the Arab world longest serving ruler and with a reputation for quiet diplomacy passed away recently 2020. Then its answer is Oman. Next question. Which of these institutions fixes the repo rate and the reverse repo rate in India? Then its answer is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Next question. Sir Thomas Roy came as an official ambassador from King James I of England to which Mughal empire court? Then its answer is Jahangir. Next question. What is the more common name for solid carbon dioxide? Then its answer is dry ice. Next question. As on January 2020, Sri Bhupesh Baghel is the Chief Minister of which of the following state? Then its answer is Chhattisgarh. Next question. Name the media company that purchased the legendary studio of 21st Century Fox. Then its answer is Disney. Next question. Who among the following played the leading lady in the film Mission Mangal that tells the dramatic true story of the woman behind India's first mission to Mars? Then its answer is Vidya Balan. Next question. For which of the following sports was Dronavali Harika conferred with the prestigious Padma Shri award? Then its answer is chess. Next question. From India, who inaugurated the Kartarpur corridor and flagged off the first set of pilgrims to final resting place of Sikhism, founder Guru Nanak Dev? Then its answer is Narendra Modi. Next question. Who is first and currently the only batsman to score double hundreds in 4 consecutive test series? Then its answer is Virat Kohli. Next question. The ruins of ancient city of Hampi, capital of Vijayanagar, is located in which present day Indian state? Then its answer is Karnataka. Next question. In which year Sanchi was discovered after being abandoned for nearly 600 years? Then its answer is 1818. Next question. Kolathunadu, Valvanad and Thikkamkur were ancient small time kingdoms in which state of India? Then its answer is Kerala. Next question. What is the uniform GST rate that has been fixed up for lottery prizes by the GST Council? Then its answer is 28%. Next question. As of February 2020, who is the president of Sri Lanka? Then its answer is Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Next question. Which of the following books is not written by Salman Rushdie? Then its answer is An Area of Darkness. Next question. Which of these bones is not a part of human ear? Then its answer is femur. Next question. The Araku Valley, a tourist resort, is located near which of these cities of South India? Then its answer is Visakhapatnam. Next question. Veteran freedom fighter, social reformer and feminist Savitri Bai Phule hailed from which of the following states of India? Then its answer is Maharashtra. Next question. Name the author who won the Sahitya Academy Award 2019 for his book An Era of Darkness, The British Empire in India? Then its answer is Shashi Tharoor. Next question. Which of these words refers to the scientific study of domestic dog? Then its answer is cynology. Next question. Name the physicist who is credited with the discovery of neutron. This 1932 discovery led to his winning the Nobel Prize. Then its answer is James Chadwick. Next question. The World Food Program is the food assistance branch of United Nations. Where is it headquartered? Then its answer is Rome. Next question. Archaeologist R. Nagaswamy was honored at Silver Jubilee International Conference of Art by which country? Then its answer is Bangladesh. Next question. In which state has the Khadi and Village Industries Commission opened the first silk processing plant? Then its answer is Gujarat. Next question. In January 2020, Home Minister Amit Shah released a book Karmayodha Granth. This book is based on the life of, then its answer is Narendra Modi. Next question. Which state's legislative assembly adopted a new logo consisting of the national emblem and foxtail orchid Rhinochostylis retusa, the state flower, in the January 2020? Then its answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. In which of the following state is the Madhapur Mela celebrated? Then its answer is Gujarat. Next question. Which of the following festival meaning is merry making of goats? Then its answer is Lai Haroba. Next question. Ajazatru, a ruler of Haryanka dynasty, was the son of? Then its answer is Bimbisara. Next question. Which of the following glands is present between the lungs? Then its answer is thymus. Next question. Only one Indian batsman has scored a triple century in Test cricket other than Virender Sehwag. Name this batsman. Then its answer is Karun Nair. Next question. Which law of physics states that the force between the two electric charges reduces to a quarter of its former value when the distance doubled then them is doubled? Then its answer is Coulomb's law. Next question. In which of the following countries was the 95th edition of the prestigious Hastings International Chess Congress held? Then its answer is England. Next question. When we cut an onion, the synthase enzyme converts the amino acid sulfoxide of the onion into which acid? Then its answer is sulfonic acid. Next question. Which of the following is the major component of vinegar? Then its answer is acetic acid. Next question. Which of the following was previously known as the Lady Wellington Park? Then its answer is Lodhi Gardens. Next question. Industry 4.0 is a complex cyber physical system which synergies production with digital technologies. The Ministry of Railways and the Department of Science and Technology have joined hands in partnership with which institution for taking up a unique project on Industry 4.0? Then its answer is IIT Kanpur. Next question. Who among the following was honored with the 50 Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Then its answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Next question. In which district of Karnataka is Brahmagiri Wildlife Sanctuary located? Then its answer is Kodagu. Next question. Who among the following was the last ruler of Nanda dynasty? Then its answer is Dhananda. Next question. What was India position in Brand Finance Nation ranking of 2019? Then its answer is 7th. Next question. Who became the first Indian equestrian to qualify for Tokyo Olympic 2020? Then its answer is Fuad Mirza. Next question. In which state was the Global Investor Meet Ascend 2020 organized? Then its answer is Kerala. Next question. Wings India 2020 is scheduled to be held in which airports? Then its answer is Begumpet Airport. Next question. Bora caves are situated on the east coast of India in which of the following hills? Then its answer is Anantagiri Hills. Next question. In which year was the foundation stone for Gateway of India laid in Bombay, now Mumbai? Then its answer is 1913. तो ये हमारा आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन था। तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में इस सीरीज़ के अगले पार्ट के सेकंड पार्ट के साथ। तो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।